right, so here I am. I'm just right outside of Aberdeen, Washington. I spent the night in Vancouver last night. A little wet out, a little rain going on right now. I'm actually on my way up to see my friends, Bob and Becca, and going to go to the rainforest up there. Been there like years ago, probably 30, 40 years ago. I was at the rainforest and it was amazing, just amazing. And I got to say that I'm looking forward to that. And then got more of the trip after that. But for now, I'm on my way to see Bob and Becca. And I'm going to have a good one. Okay, here I am. Made it up to the rainforest. So I stayed in this nice little hotel last night. I tell you, my favorite hotels are the ones that have, you can park your car right outside. I like that. So I'm out in the rainforest. This is so cool. I hope you guys can see all this, but it's just really incredible. And it does not suck, that's for sure. Guess what it's starting to do in the rainforest? Rain. Duh. Okie dokie. So I'm on the ferry. I just left Kingston and on my way over to Edmond to meet my buddies, my friends Jim and Sherry. And I'm looking forward to that. I had a great time back in Port Angeles with Bob and Becca and met the neighbors, and they were really cool people. And so, anyway, I'm on the ferry right now, just so you can see. We're cruising across the Puget Sound and having a good trip. So I will talk to you soon.